What's up, guys? My name is Brett Allen Nelson, creative director and stylist. I am on set today with Revolve, and I'm showing you what's inside my little set bag. Okay, so first things first, I always have my laptop. I cannot live without it. I do everything on this thing. I definitely am more than just a stylist. I'm also a creative director. I build worlds because it's more than just clothes for me. It's like on a music video treatment, I'm either working very closely with the director or I'm making mood boards on my laptop to give to the director. You know, I've designed stages on this laptop, from music festivals to tours to television performances. Literally my entire life is run from this computer. And if I didn't have it, I'd probably, I don't know, have a panic attack or something. I have this little cosmetic bag that keeps me very organized, has everything I need. Let's see what is in here. This Born to Stand Out cologne, it's called Dirty Milk. It smells so good. I found it when I was in Korea. I also have some dry shampoo from Oribe. I don't love messing with my hair. I usually just like it looking whatever. And dry shampoo is a good thing to do that with. I have this Rick Owens mouthwash. Always good to have mouthwash because you never know when your breath stinks. Your clients are in your face like this, so you always just want to make sure your is good. I also have this Pat McGrath chapstick. I love Pat. If she saw me doing this, she'd be like, major babes. But yeah, my lips get a little dry because I don't drink enough water. Lastly, I have these 111 skin eye patches. I am never home. I live my life on an airplane, and if I am home, I usually wake up tired. But I was on tour with Doja, and I'm telling you, there were mornings I was so tired because I got no sleep. These eye patches saved my life. This is always a need for me. If it's in my carry-on bag or my set bag, I always have it. Speaking of dehydration, this, I know it's so cheesy because there was like a time every mother like had their big Stanley. This thing is a God's gift because I'm definitely dehydrated 90% of the time. So there's a few things in here that make me feel comfortable on set, and I always have a hat. This is one of my good friend's brands. It's literally the only hat that I wear. I have like 50 of them thanks to him. On top of a hat, I always have sunglasses, and there's normally multiple pairs in here. These are some Balm glasses that hide my eyes a little bit more than I think the others do, because you know when you're on set, sometimes you need to hide your expressions, and mine tells a whole entire story. Sunglasses, very important. Hide all of this. You never know when you need a handy dandy extra jewelry case. I change my mind a lot on set. I will get the artist dressed, and once she's in full glam and we actually get to the location or whatever's happening on stage, I want to change the jewelry because the jewelry is like the final button of all. There's some stuff in here like retrofit. I used so many of them on Doja's tour because they're lightweight and they actually can stay on an ear. They have a really amazing clasp system. I don't know how they figured that out. Also Area, she's in this like 1980s like super glam world, so to have something that's really sparkly on stage is always really cool. And these things are very handy. Excuse my poor language, I'm sure you can beep that out. I also always have a little kit of underwear, and Commando is one of my favorite because they're seamless underwear. And with most of my clients like Doja or Carol, there's a lot of revealing clothes that happen, and so it's nice to have things that you don't really notice under the clothing. I always have candy, and I found this brand online that is kind of healthy. Like there's 66 prebiotic fibers in here, and also a lot less sugar. Speaking of candy, this is not candy, but they taste delicious. There's this brand called Limmy, and this one is a daily superfood, like green. These are amazing. They also have a melatonin one that's, I always have safety pins, obviously, Stylist, you know. Oh, this is a big one. Dun, 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 dun. A candle is really important for me because I'm always trying to like set a mood. There's usually different scents, but like in my fitting room, if I'm trying to prove a point, I will get sage, and right when the artist is walking in, I'll like sage around the door and in the room, because who knows if it actually works, but like cleaning the energy is something important. But candles add to that because they just smell so good. Okay, so this is something that's in my bag that I should be using more, but a journal. It's always good to like manifest your future, which seems so silly to me, but it is important because if you wake up in the morning and you're like, this is gonna be a great day, it usually turns out to be a good day. Let's see what else I got in here. My phone, it's always important. It goes with the laptop. I have Topstick. You never know when you're gonna need this because there's a lot of times, again, I'm doing like really revealing clothing, and if it's something that like drips down or it's like a short top, you gotta tape those things in place. I have Kleenexes. You never know what the season is like. There's another jewelry case in here because you never know when you're gonna need a good pair of gold hoops. So they're there. This is basically everything I have in my set bag today, but I normally will have like huge suitcases that have even more in it. But thank you guys for watching what's in my bag. This is literally my life, my baby, my future. I hope to see you guys next time.